Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. Today is our fourth episode in our series on digital marketing. In today's episode we will know how digital marketing useful. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about customer lifecycle in our last episode. Please check the I button. So let's start about how digital marketing useful to your business. With the development of world economic integration, small and medium-sized enterprises have developed dynamically, and their role in promoting the national economy has become increasingly obvious. Small and medium-sized enterprises are an important part of the national economy and the main force to promote scientific and technological progress. Facing the market competition of large enterprises, the development of small and medium-sized enterprises is facing severe challenges, which has aroused widespread concern in society. At the same time, small and medium-sized enterprises generally have problems such as backward marketing concepts, single marketing methods, lack of marketing talents, and poor marketing capabilities. If you are a small business owner, you need to have digital marketing knowledge to attract more customers. Digital marketing can reach more people with very little investment in a business. Digital marketing today is essential for rapid growth. That is why today everyone wants to opt for internet-based digital marketing rather than traditional marketing strategies like television, radio, billboards, newspapers, and magazines. However, this may introduce some limitations, including the fact that it can only cover your local community. Today, online advertising has expanded opportunities through digital marketing in an attempt to enter online marketing. What and why digital marketing? It is the process of attracting more audiences and your target market, and it is the determining success of a business. In this digital age, digital tools in marketing are helpful to establishments because they are competitive, can survive on the e-commerce battlefield, and can also promote business development. Activities that mainly use digital media and technology for publicity and advertising on the internet are called digital marketing. It may be a website, social media search engine optimization, QR code, or any electronically generated marketing tools. To know what is digital marketing, please check the I button. Digital marketing provides a variety of online marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO conversion rate optimization, CRO, content marketing, social media marketing, and advertising, etc. With traditional marketing, you have fewer opportunities to choose. You only have a few channels available, such as radio, print, and TV channels, many of which are expensive, which further limits your choices. Small and medium-sized enterprises should consider increasing the number of potential customers online. Increased availability and use of the internet compared to previous years has increased the potential of digital marketing in business. The first step is to decide for yourself why you want to digitize your business. Digital assets will determine the value of the business in the future. Let's take a look at how digital marketing can help businesses, especially small businesses. Please check the I button to know more about digital marketing. Digital marketing is cost-effective. Compared with print and television advertising, digital marketing is extremely cost-effective. If you advertise online on social media, websites, or search engines, you need to set a budget and bid for advertising space. You can fully control the amount of money you spend. In addition, you can stop and change the strategy at any time. If you are a small and medium business, SMB, digital marketing can also help differentiate your company from big brands. That's because online marketing provides cost-effective solutions like SEO that can help your business attract an audience. For example, using SEO as a digital marketing strategy, your business can optimize your content for long-tail searches, or search for searches that contain 3 or more words, such as top digital marketing agency in USA, or digital agency in USA. This method can help your company bypass the big brands and enter the target market. You also don't have to worry about how your online marketing budget will compete with larger brands. Digital marketing allows small enterprises to optimize their budgets while gaining potential customers. Through a proper conversion to digital marketing can bring better revenue or profits for business owners. It promotes interaction between business owners and their target customers. Communication with the target audience will give you an understanding of the needs of your customers. This also brings them a good customer service experience, and in return, you can get a higher customer retention rate. The goal of any digital marketing strategy is to get more traffic from the target audience and turn them into paying customers. Once the number of visits and buying behavior increase, revenue will begin to grow, and before you know it, your return on investment has been achieved. In this stage of the corona, small enterprises are trying to swim away from a major epidemic that could threaten their very existence. With offices not working, many are left wondering what's next for production, supply, and services. But digital marketing can come in handy when it comes to retaining clients. Digital marketing is the best thing you can do for your business. However, you need to understand that digital marketing is also very flexible, dynamic, and constantly changing. So, we know how digital marketing is useful nowadays. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.